Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to solve quadratic equation by quadratic formula, or you can say by Dharacharya formula. So first of all, we have to derive the formula, the derivation of formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Student, this is a quadratic equation. So let us find out the value of x by completing the square. Okay, so I am going to solve this equation by completing the square, student. You know, the coefficient of x square should be 1. That's why first of all the equation is divided by a. So dividing the equation by a, student, ax square upon a plus bx upon a plus c upon a equal to 0 upon a. So x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a equal to 0. Now students, as you know that we have to find out half of the coefficient of x. So b upon a is multiplied by 1 by 2. So it will become b upon 2a. So b upon 2a whole square we have to add both sides. So b upon 2a whole square is adding both sides. So x square b upon ax plus b upon 2a whole square plus c upon a equal to 0 plus b upon 2a whole square. Correct? So student, you can see it is a square, it is b square, it is 2ab. So it will become a plus b whole square. So at the place of a we have to write x, at the place of b we have to write b upon 2a, and sine of 2ab we have to take. So it will become x plus b upon 2a whole square, and it will become, students, b square upon 4a square. C upon a will transfer this side, become negative c upon a. So now x plus b upon a 2a whole square equals to, take LCM, student, 4a square. 4a square cancel, b square dividing by a, 4a multiplied by c, 4ac. Now students, we have to remove the square sign here. So x plus b upon a 2a equals to plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. So student, x equals to minus b upon 2a will transfer this side, become negative, plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. 4a square root is 2a. Now student, we can take LCM. LCM is 2a. 2a cancel, minus b as it is, plus minus root b square minus 4ac. Let b square minus 4ac equal to d. D is known as discriminant, student. So b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. Okay. So it will become x equals to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. So one time we have to take plus sign. When we take plus, so alpha equal to minus b plus root d upon 2a. And next time we will take minus. So beta equals to minus b minus root d upon 2a. So these are the two roots, student. Its value depend on the d. D should be positive. If d is negative, so b cannot find the square root of d. Okay, then the equation has no real roots. So for the real value of alpha beta, d must be greater than equal to 0. Okay, or real roots. So b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0, because d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0 for real roots, student. Student, if d equal to 0, then this part will be removed. Value of alpha and beta are minus b upon 2a. Both are equal. So remember, if d equal to 0, or you can say b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the equation has real and equal roots. Alpha equals to minus b upon 2a and beta is also equal to minus b upon 2a. If d greater than 0 means positive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100 lakh, then b square minus 4ac also greater than 0. Then the equation has real and distinct root, means different roots. Okay? Because suppose the value of d is 16, so here what will come? Plus minus 4. So one time we have to take plus 4, one time we have to take minus 4, then both roots are different. That's why b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Then the equation has real and distinct root. You have to remember, student, learn all these conditions. Next condition, to d less than 0 means negative. If d is negative, so we know that we cannot find the square root of d. Then we can say the equation has no real roots, means the equation has imaginary roots. So these conditions you have to learn, student. Keep all these conditions in your mind. Now student, we are going to, this is the derivation of the formula, quadratic formula, student. Now we are going to take one example. This is the question, student. X square plus 2 root 2x minus 6. We have to solve by quadratic formula or by Dharacharya formula. So first of all, the equation will be compared by ax square plus bx plus c. A value what? Coefficient of x square 1. B is the coefficient of x plus 2 root 2. And c is the constant term, student, minus 6. Now find out d. D equals to b square minus 4ac. B value 2 root 2 square minus 4. A value 1. C value minus 6. 2 root 2 square. 2 root 2 2 times. So 2 2 is 4. Root 2 2 means 8. Minus plus. 4 1 is 4. 4 6 is 24. 4 24 or 8 32. So 32 is positive, student, greater than 0. And the equation has real and distinct root. Correct? Now write the formula. X equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Let us put the value of b, a, d. B value 2 root 2, a value 1 and d value 32. So minus 2 root 2 plus minus root 32, 2 into 1, a value 1, student. Minus 2 root 2 plus minus, find the factors of 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times 2. Make pair. So these two pairs are there. 2 into 2, 4 will come outside. X equal to minus 2 root 2 plus minus 4 root 2 upon 2. Now one time we have to take plus, taking plus, students. So minus 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 upon 2. 4 root 2 minus 4 root 2, 2 root 2 upon 2, 2 to cancel, root 2. Now taking minus sign, students. When we take minus sign here, minus 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2 upon 2. Okay, students. Minus 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2 both are like terms. So both will be added, same sign. Minus 6 root 2 upon 2. 2 3 is 6. Minus 3 root 2. So alpha equals to root 2 and beta equals to minus 3 root 2. Okay, students? Okay then, students. Have a nice day.